welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel. So in today's video, I am going to be doing a get ready with me. I am going to be showing you guys my makeup pretty much. I don't know if I should be calling this a get ready with me because it's just my makeup. But anyways, we're going to be getting ready, sis, because you're going to see the picture of my outfit on my thumbnail. You've clearly already seen it. Anyways, it's going to be a super simple makeup look. So if you guys are ready to see it, then let's jump right into it. Real quick before we jump into this video, if this is your first time tuning into my channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any more of my uploads, sis. So real quick, I wanted to mention the teas that I am loving this month by SipsBy. They are absolutely amazing, you guys. This is what the box looks like, of course, and this is a monthly subscription. So the first tea I have is the Stash tea, and this is a lemon ginger tea, and it is a caffeine-free tea. So I really enjoyed to drink that tea during the morning time because it does have lemon. It doesn't have caffeine, so it really is not gonna make you like do backflips in the morning, but it's really good and it's really refreshing to drink during the morning time. And I literally only have one left. Oh, and I'm just now noticing that they have different types of tea from the Stash brand. I think this brand may be new from them. So the next one I got is a cookie tea, and it is actually an almond cookie tea. It is also caffeine free, and it is a herbal tea. So another favorite of mine was this cinnamon toast black tea, you guys. It was really yummy. It was good as it sounds, and it does have an extra boost of caffeine in it. So this is your tea that's going to wake you up in the morning, that's going to give you that boost, that's going to have you doing backflips, sis, because this was one of my favorites. I tried this one like in the middle of the day. I can't even talk. And I also tried this one in the morning time. I liked it at evening and in the morning. This tea was just a really yummy tea, and I actually only have 2 of these left. I also got this Chico chai tea, so they sent this one as well. So I just wanted to go ahead and share with you guys the teas that I have been loving from SipsBy this month. Let's go ahead and jump into this video. So we are going to go ahead and start off with the face. So for primer, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Primer, and this is just the original primer. And then for foundation, I am just going to be using my Estee Lauder Double Wear. You guys know how I feel about this foundation. And as you guys can see, I have some acne scars going on in some dark spots. My skin never looks like this. I'm so proud of myself because I'm coming out of not filming because my skin is not up to par. Because, honey, people get on YouTube and, no offense and not trying to be funny, but I just cannot. Like, so mine isn't even that bad. I'm just like that, so I'm trying to come out of my shell from doing that so much. But this is my go-to foundation when I want some really good coverage, and I love this foundation because it's just so flawless on the skin. It's never cakey. Just look how that covered that up instantly, y'all. If you have not tried the Double Wear, I don't know what you're doing, because girl, this is the OG. Like, this is the OG. Period, poo. And you guys know that I'm not really a fan of applying foundation on the forehead, but because my forehead is showing, of course I'm gonna apply foundation there. And I'm just going to blend out my unibrow that I had going on. For concealer, I am going to be using the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer. I also love this concealer because it covers really well. And I believe it claims to be a matte concealer, but it's not super matte to the point where it's drying or anything like that. And lately, my skin has been kind of back normal. Normal for me, meaning oily in my T-zone area. So I really wanted to pick up a concealer today that I wouldn't have to blot so much. Because I'm doing my makeup sort of from afar, like normally I have a closer mirror than this, I have to go ahead and check myself out, honey, to make sure everything is blended and your girl is good to go. Because you don't want to be looking crazy before you put them powders on, honey, because it's going to look real cakey. It's going to look real Publix bakery-ish, you know what I'm saying? So you got to make sure that thing is blended out. So I did pretty good. My blend game clearly is strong, clearly. So for powder, I'm going to be taking my Laura Mercier, and I'm just going to be using this to set all the places that I highlighted. And for powder, y'all already know what I'm using. I'm just going to take a big fluffy brush to set my face, basically the areas where I did not highlight. Lately for my nose, I've been loving this L'Oreal Infallible powder. It's just a tad bit lighter than the black Radiance powder. I just felt like that one was kind of getting a little bit too dirty looking, if you will, and it was just a little too dark. Like I wanted something, I like the look of a nose contour, but not when it's completely, like, look at that. Like that's just one side. I hope y'all can see that. But not when it's like completely overdone. Like a little bit goes a long way when it comes to nose contouring. And me personally, contour in general, like it does not take a whole lot. I'm just the type of person, YouTuber, makeup artist, whatever you want to call it, that really just enjoy less, and less is definitely more. Just blending off that excess Laura Mercier powder. And I just feel like that looks so much better, because in my other videos and even in my pictures and stuff, I'm just like, this contour is like harsh as hell. Like it was just, girl, it was a little bit too much. We had to calm it down. We had to bring it on back and get ourselves together and in order and in line. So next I am using the Nicka K bronzer. I love this, you guys. Well, contour. This is from the beauty supply store. I keep saying this. $1.99, sis. You got $2, sis? Go and get you some, because it's lit. Look at that. Less is more. I just really love bronzer and the way it just helps really slim the face down. So for blush, I am using the Saharan palette. This is the Saharan palette volume 2, and of course this is from Juvias Place. And then for blush, I'm going to be using this shade right here. This shade is TAU. Okay, let me chill. Let me just pull back a little bit because I get a little excited. Let me just pull back and chill a little bit. For highlighter, I am using nothing other than the Maybelline Masterchrome highlighter. This highlighter is bomb, you guys, and today I'm using the shade Molten Gold. So before I move on to anything else, spray in my face, any of that, I'm going to go ahead and pop on my lashes. And the lashes I'm using are these AliExpress lashes. They're super beautiful. And they're in D20. So these are a more natural lash. But I'm just, you know, keeping this very simple, very subtle. So this is the kind of lash that I'm going for tonight. So as you guys can see, these are some very, very natural wispy lashes. These are actually some of the first eyelashes that I started wearing on AliExpress. Just to make my eyes pop a little bit more, I just have this Wet n Wild 93 cent eyeliner, and it's in the color brown. I always like to use brown eyeliner because I just think for me, on mine, like for me, black is a little bit harsh. What you doing, girl?
Got my makeup done, girl.
Where you going?
I'm in Mobile, girl.
You look cute.
Thank you, girl.
You're welcome. Why are you in Mobile?
He came out here with Hayden and his girlfriend.
Oh.
You get my makeup, girl.
It's cute. I love the lips.
Look, she got me popping. I said, I gotta call my sister.
Uh-huh.
Girl, she put some lashes on me too, boo.
Let me see. They cute. You got the picture of your friend makeup?
I ain't looked at it yet.
Oh, I love that lip. What kind of lip gloss is that?
Oh, God. I'm gonna let you talk to her.
Shit. Okay, girl.
Bye, girl.
Bye, girl. Bye-bye. That was my sister being a traitor. She FaceTimed me of somebody else doing her makeup, telling me she in Mobile. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. We don't do that. Not over here, sis. If you're watching. Okay, so anyways, for mascara, of course, I'm using my Too Faced Better Than Sex. I'm also going to apply some of this mascara on my waterline. And because I didn't do any eyeshadow or anything, I really want my eyes to stand out. So that's why I'm making sure I use liner and everything else that can really make them pop. And then I'm just going to go ahead and fill in my mole. And then moving on to lips, I am using MAC Lip Liner in Chestnut. So my camera would want to cut off after I'm almost finished with my makeup. So for lipstick, I end up using this Urban Decay matte comfort matte lipstick in the shade BackTalk, which is like this pretty beautiful mauve pink. I cannot talk clearly. And then for gloss, I just topped it off with this Brilliant Effects lip gloss by Radiance in the number 3250. These lip glosses are absolutely amazing, sis. If you want your lip gloss to stay on all night, sis, you better go get you some of this, sis. And it's at the Dollar Tree. So, I mean, not Dollar Tree, I wish. It is at the drugstore. So, super affordable. And sis, you can never, ever have too much lip gloss. And don't let anyone tell you that you can. So, yeah, this is pretty much the look. I'm going to go ahead and put on my outfit. Of course, you guys will see what I wore in my thumbnail. So if you guys enjoy these videos like this, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. And if you like the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you can become a part of the gang. I am so excited, you guys, that I will be able to announce some super exciting news very, 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 very soon. Just hold on tight. It's coming. And I cannot wait because my filming schedule has been off. Some of my video ideas have been off, but everything's going to get back to normal really, really soon. I give it till April or May. Coming soon. Coming soon. That's all I can say. I'm super excited. So remember to be blessed and follow your dreams. And I will see you guys in my next video.